Good morning, outdoor artist, and I'm back by the bird feeder once again with a time-lapse preparation. Let me just show you what I've got here. As most things I produce, it's free and a little kludgy, but you can see I've got the battery pack here attached to this nice little piece of board. The GoPro camera will go here, and then it'll aim approximately up into the feeder area, and I'll set that up for a time lapse for the day. The battery is there because the camera doesn't like to operate without electricity. But given a little electricity and on a time lapse, it'll take a lot of pictures. So we'll see what happens. Keep your fingers crossed, and I hope we enjoy.